I remember once, this is back in my electrician days, I went down, I was doing these lights in a hallway, and the architect was standing there and telling me a little bit left, a little bit right. I said, what are you doing that for? He goes, when you walk into a room and it just feels right, he goes, you don't know why, but that's the attention to detail. And I feel like that's the attention to detail we're put into our moulds. So the process for us building a mould was, once we've got the concept and everything's right, and as said, all those points have been taken into consideration, I actually end up drawing them up. I hand draw them up, all the dimensions. I then get our engineer to CAD them out. To have a good fiberglass shell, it actually comes back from the mould design. And when we took over, we wanted to build the best pools. We had to design the best moulds. The first step, when you jump in, once you put the coping tile on top, everyone makes their steps the same height. We actually made the first step 30 mil shorter, so when you put the coping tile on it, actually every step becomes the same dimension. The top radius of the shell, instead of having like a 90 mil radius, which normally makes it easier to manufacture, we actually made it a little bit tighter to 50 mil, so when you put your coping tiles on top, you can't see any of the shell. So it's all those little things that we do in there just to make it easier to put in, easier and a lot better for the paving company, and the end result you get is a perfect level pool. The pools we're making are millimetre perfect over 10 metres long, which is unbelievable. I don't think anyone else has done that before. The moulds are the most important thing to build a good quality fiberglass pool. You can't start with a bad mould and expect to build a good pool. Our moulds now, by the end of this year, every one of them will be brand new, less than 3 years old, and millimetre perfect. And that's the quality we want to make sure we're delivering to our customers.